What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a quick video for you. We're going to be making the Corvette just a little bit louder. I'm super excited for this one. It's really windy out here, so you can't really hear me. So I'm just going to quit talking and we're going to get into it. Alright, so now we got the Corvette jacked up. It's sitting on jack stands. We're going to climb underneath it and do a little exhaust mod. This is the donut that we're pulling out. It's a little donut gasket. That should give us about a ½ inch worth of space. So we'll see. Alrighty, so we got them all pulled off, got the exhaust back on. Let's see how it sounds. Well, I think it sounds a heck of a lot better. I forgot to do a little bit of a rev when I took the first video, but it was silent. It was really quiet. It sounded like it had stock exhaust, even though it's got gutted cats and a X-pipe back to a Borla axle back. Still sounded like it was pretty much stock exhaust, actually quieter than stock. So I'm pretty happy. It sounds good. I'm gonna go for a little rip and see how it sounds. Alright guys, we're doing the first drive with the spacer mod and the exhaust. See how it is. Watch out for cops.
I like it.
Really loud right now. That's loud.
I like it though. It sounds good.
Like quarter throttle.
I'm trying.
Sorry. Alright, so we did a pull. The lighting is terrible. We were right by a cop's house and he was outside, so let's do a little pull right now. I think it sounds a lot better. Let's try one with the windows up. It's not bad inside.
With the windows up? Yeah, it's actually pretty quiet.
Let's see if we can get the cops called on us. I like it. I'd say it was a success. That's where we're gonna end today's video. I'm pretty happy, and we'll see if I still like it in like a week. Hopefully I'll be getting some remote cutouts for it soon, so I can have this nice sound, but it can still be stealthy when I need it. Thanks for watching the Two Bros Performance YouTube channel. If you guys like this video, please go down and give it a thumbs up, and comment, subscribe for more awesome content coming your way, and we will see you in the next one. Deuces!